To measure heart rate using Huawei Watch Fit 4, let me quickly tell you, as you are having your watch on the wrist, I will not actually have it on my wrist, but you need to have this watch on your wrist. From here, you'll have to find the function, the button of application for heart rate. As you go in there, I recommend you to actually stand still, don't talk, and simply wait for the results. And at this time, right now, the application is measuring the heart rate with these sensors right here. So let me quickly show you. I will put this on my arm like this, and let's try again. And now actually stand still and don't talk, and the measurements will be complete and nice. As you can see, it also tells you that you have to hold your arm steady, and you know, it's not working for some reason in my case, but simply that's how to basically measure this heart rate right here using the Huawei Watch Fit 4.